It's immigration enforcement. We are seeing more people impacted in Central PA. Thanks for being here with us at 6. I'm Joel D. Smith.
And I'm Candace Gleese. This is some video from some of our sister stations with some ICE arrests, and CBS 21's Andrew Klein explaining what exactly happens to people after they've been detained and arrested. He's live in Harrisburg, learning more information from an immigration attorney. So tell us what happens next.
Yeah, Joel D. Candace, it might sometimes seem like all hope is lost for those who have been detained, but the attorney I spoke with earlier today says there are ways to defend yourself.
There's several options. The person might be detained and released. We're not seeing that happening as often as it used to before.
So far this fiscal year, there's been more than 66,000 detentions made by ICE, but that's currently less than what we saw in 2021, 2022, 2023, and 2024. In 2022, more than 300,000 detentions took place.
Once they're detained, they enter the process of removal proceedings and they have an opportunity to defend themselves. So whether they're detained while they are in the process of defending themselves or whether they're outside of detention, it can happen either way.
Multiple detentions have been reported in our coverage area, including York and Lancaster, where just last week a woman, Estrelita Solomon Ramos, was detained after spending 25 years in the county after her tourist visa expired in 2000.
The moment someone is detained, the very first thing they should do or their family should do is try to find an immigration attorney, because detention doesn't mean the government is right.
The other option is the Alternatives to Detention program, which ICE uses to monitor illegal aliens living in the country. Solomon Ramos had been trying to enter this program before her detention. Daniels says finding an immigration attorney could likely have helped her case, but right now, finding an immigration attorney can be one of the biggest challenges.
There's just a shortage of immigration attorneys across the country, no matter what. So whether it's to begin the application process for you or not, there's going to be a challenge in finding legal representation.
According to the White House, multiple states have doubled or even tripled the daily number of ICE arrests since President Trump has taken office. Now, Pennsylvania was not on that list that I read through, but some nearby states, Maryland and Virginia, they both were, and they've increased by 290 and 470% respectively. In Dauphin County, Andrew Klein, CBS 21 News.